Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video because we are trying out a SpongeBob palette. I feel like every week a brand is coming out with something new and exciting. I mean, I just can't keep up with makeup. I don't know how you guys feel, but this is by a brand called HIPDOT, and this is the SpongeBob Bikini Bottom Eyeshadow Palette. They did send this to me just to try out and share with you guys if I liked it. I'm not being paid at all, but they did send it to me, so thank you to them for doing that. The layout of this palette, so many bright, fun shades. It is perfect for summer. I feel like they really nailed it with a July launch for this. It's super, super cute. You can even see, and I'll try not to blind you, little SpongeBob there beside the mirror. He's so excited. And then on the front you have SpongeBob and Patrick. My personal favorite touch is a little tiny Gary on the back. Another little feature I want to point out is that this has a kind of little kickstand, so you can actually set this up and use the mirror. I thought that was really nice. It's just like a little ribbon in between that holds it, or you can just use it as the lid. It stays nice and secure magnetically. This is cruelty free, it's vegan, this is paraben free, talc free, mineral oil free. So I can't wait to try it. As you can see, I did kind of conceal my lids and do my brows. I used the Jeffree Star concealer. This has just been my go-to lately, especially for on the lids. I really like it. I have not set this concealer, so I'm going to just kind of pat it in before we start adding some shadow. And this is like Nickelodeon SpongeBob legit collaboration with HIPDOT. So I want to look it up for you and just give you a couple more details. They have a collector's box for $120 that has everything. There are different face masks. They actually did send me one of these SpongeBob sheet masks. So this is the best face ever glow and hydrate face mask with marine protein and hyaluronic acid. So that's really cool. It looks like they have Patrick ones as well. There is a jellyfish lip gloss trio. Super cute. Oh my god. These have faces on them. I'm definitely, tonight, I'm going to try this out and I will insert a little clip of me trying that. Here's a Sandy Cheeks blush and bronzer. So the palette goes for $36. Not bad. I mean, if this performs well, that would actually be a really, really good price. We're going to put it to the test, of course. Lip gloss trio is $30. The blush and bronzer is only $18, and it looks like it's a pretty big pan. You can get 4 sheet masks for $20. I kind of wish they had sent the lip gloss and the blush and bronzer too, but it's okay. We're going to do our eyes, and I'm still really, really grateful for this palette. So the first thing I'm going to do is just smooth out my eye area and make sure that it's not creasing up too bad. That way we have a nice smooth canvas. I've had this concealer on for probably like 10 or 15 minutes and it barely creases on the lid. Like, it's so good. I have not set it at all. I didn't really come in here with an idea of what I was going to do, so we're just gonna figure it out, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna take first the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. So I'm actually gonna use this to just kind of apply some shadow and see how we start out. So I'm gonna go in with the yellow. This is called Best Shade Ever. I've been really going for some yellows lately. I'm gonna make sure I don't have too much. Looks pretty pigmented so far, and I'm just gonna start placing that here. I'm just gonna go in a little bit heavier. It's showing up now. Let's move you in a little bit. Okay, it's got some color to it. I'm pretty impressed. So I'm just going to take a different brush. I'm going to go with the Luxie 209 large shader, and I'm just going to select a different color. Oh, I want another matte, but a lot of these are shimmer, so I think I'm going to go with the pink. We've got two different ones. We have Wumbo and Penny Pincher. It's so funny. Let's swatch a few while I am looking into that. Whoa! Look at those swatches. So Wumbo is the lighter pink and Penny Pincher's almost red. It's like one of those like strawberry reds that has just a little pink in it. The pigmentation, okay. So I think for right now I'm gonna go in with Penny Pincher. It is, again, close to a red, and I'm just gonna place that next to our yellow shade. And you'll see I'm just kind of packing the color right now, so if it looks a little crazy, that is why. I haven't really started doing any blending. And now I'm going to take Luxie 229 tapered blending and just see how these start to blend together. Got a little gradient going on. It looks pretty cute. I'm liking this so far. So I'm going to go in a little bit further with Penny Pincher and just go ahead and I'm not going all the way to my lash line because I am probably going to cut the crease a little bit, but I just want to add a little bit more color and impact. And then I'm going to go back in with my other brush with the yellow and kind of do the same, adding a little bit more color. So I have to say I'm having a really easy time blending, applying, everything's looking really great. So I am going to go ahead and cut the crease kind of wide. So I'm going to use a BH Cosmetics number 11. This is from the Rose Gold collection. I am going to stick with my Jeffree Star concealer. So I'm putting a little bit on my hand right here. So let's go. Kind of swooping the concealer almost out in like a wing form, but I'm going to be cleaning up with a makeup wipe underneath, so no big deal if it looks a little bit messy right now. That is fine. Alright, so I think what I want to do is pick up Angry Tentacles, which is this like aqua shade, and I have this ColourPop. It's just a like flat synthetic brush. I dipped in and it looks like it's picking up a pretty good amount of pigment, so before this concealer does too much, I'm gonna pack it on. Okay, so it's starting out okay. Sometimes this can be a little bit weird with a flat synthetic brush, just picking up shimmer. I think I want to go in with meow, meow, meow. That's embarrassing. But yeah, I'm going to take the shade Meow Meow Meow. And the last thing I'm doing is just kind of blending them with my finger. They feel very creamy in consistency. Really, really nice. Okay, so I do want to swatch the rest of these before I finish out my makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up so you can get a better idea of what this is about to look like in the end. So it's still a little bit messy, but that's okay. And then really quick, I'm going to take this Morphe, it's a larger blending brush, and just make sure that my edges under my brow look really nice. Nothing is too harsh. It's got a good little blend. I'm loving this palette. I mean, I have to say, this is going amazingly well. So I can't wait to try out more from this brand. I feel like it's really, really good. So I have one eye pretty much done. I just want to quickly swatch the colors that we haven't used. I'm going to try this one really quick. Tree Dome is this really light color. So we'll try that in the inner corner. Yes, it's a little bright moment. So I may have to go in and touch that up again once I do all my concealer and everything, but I think that's going to look really cute, so we'll use that shade. It's a nice little transition from the yellow because it's still got like that yellowish, goldish kind of feel, so I think that's going to be really cute. I'm so excited about this look. We have not swatched Bikini Bottom Blue, Coral Floral, which is another matte that we didn't use. Oh, buttery. Oh my god. The Imagination is a little bit more of a mustard. Jumpin' Jellyfish. That's really cute. First, on the fingers, amazing. Can you even deal with that? So that one's a matte, but it's honestly really creamy. Oh my goodness. Another matte. Definitely a little darker than it looks in the pan, but beautiful nonetheless. I love Jumpin' Jellyfish. So that's 4 shades that we haven't used on the eyes. I kind of wish I had used Bikini Bottom Blue. That one's gorgeous as well, but I'm really happy with this eye look and I will definitely use this palette again. We haven't used anything on this whole entire bottom row. I'm usually better about using like a ton of colors. Oh my god. So we have Rock Bottom, Deep Sea Blue, Golden Pineapple, Blue Lagoon, and then Advanced Darkness. So these are the 4 shades that I have swatched right here. So on the fingers, absolutely stunning. Wow. I wanted to give you guys a really good look, so I just swatched them all on my hand here. Beautiful. fall. What the hell? I don't know how I have not tried this brand before, but definitely jump on it. If you like colorful palettes, $36, and I literally whipped out this look in like 10 minutes, like nobody's business, and the other eye will go even faster because I'm not going to be talking through it. I'm just going to whip it out. So those are the swatches, and then we're going to come back in a moment and I'll have the rest of my makeup done, and then we can just do the lower lash line and wrap it up. Alright, so here is most of my makeup completed. I actually really love the way that the eyes turned out. The lip may be a little bit much for me because it's like there's so much pink on the eye, but I do love the way it turned out. I accidentally grabbed though my Exhibitionist mascara in the waterproof version, which to me just doesn't have the same impact as the original, so I don't know, my lashes usually look much better using the other one. And then I also put on the Jeffree Star Mystery shade, so that's what I have on my lips, and then I put a little bit of the Tarte H2O lip gloss in Zipline right in the center, just to give a little something, but mostly you're just seeing this color right here. It's just a little bit much with the pink. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Let me know what you think. So I do want to do a little something to the under eye, of course. I also have just a little bit of powder still sitting under my eyes, hopefully if any fallout occurs, because I kind of want to use a metallic shade under my eye. Not always the best way to go, but I just need to, you know what I mean? So first I'm gonna take Jumpin' Jellyfish, which we did swatch, which is like a rosy gold pink color, and I'm just gonna begin to press that here. That's really doing quite nicely, not bad at all. I did wet the brush just a tiny bit. I think I want to take Blue Lagoon, which is this really blue shade. I feel like you gotta have some blue. It's like an oceany vibe, so I'm gonna take that on the outer. Taking a little bit more of a Tree Dome, which is that light little bright yellow golden, into both the inner corners. Alright, so here is my finished look using the HIPDOT SpongeBob palette. Let me know what you think about this look. I think it turned out really beautiful. It's like a little, I don't know how to put this. It's bright and fun and tutti fruity. I don't know, it's so cute and definitely has a lot of SpongeBob vibes to it with the different colors. I am really loving this palette. So I highly recommend, if you are a SpongeBob lover or you just love bright colored palettes, or maybe need one in your life, maybe you don't have one in your collection, highly recommend this one. $36 is not bad. You get 15 shades, and every single one that I used I truly really enjoyed. So I am very excited to have this. Again, thank you to HIPDOT for sending me this palette. I'm definitely gonna have to come home tonight and try out this SpongeBob mask, so I'll put a little insert at the end trying out the sheet mask so you can see what it's like. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you do like these type of videos, just trying out products, or if you have any recommendations or requests of things you would like to see in videos, then leave it in the comments below. Please do subscribe before you leave as well. I also have giveaways going on right now. I have a Jeffree Star one. I have my 12,000 subscriber giveaway that is in one of my more recent vlogs, so check those out. Only a week or so to go on those, and yeah, we're well on our way to 18, and I'll do another giveaway then. So I know you guys really enjoy those, and I love giving back. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you next time.